A trader earns a good profit in volatile market. That's why he loves the volatility. But can it be possible that trader can earn the profit in non-volatile market? And the answer is yes. With the help of some option trading strategy, a trader can also earn the profit in non-volatile market. And out of those option trading strategy, one and the most popular is butterfly spread. Now let us understand how the butterfly strategy is formed and how does it work. Let's say there is a company of ABC Limited having a current market price of 2700 and a trader expect that the prices will move in the sideways. That means the price will not go up nor it will go down. So what the trader will do? Suppose I am a trader, so I will do here, I will buy a call of low strike price. Low strike price means the price must be less than my current market price, and I will buy a one call of high strike price. That means my high strike price should be higher than my current market price, and the medium strike price which should be approximately or nearby my current market price. In this scenario, my low strike price I have taken it 2600 and my high strike price I have taken is 2800 and medium strike price which I have taken is 2700. I will have to look at is the difference between two strike price should be uniform. That means it means there if there is a difference of 100 between these two strike prices, there should also be a difference of 100 between these two strike prices. Only in that case the butterfly strategy will be formed. So if we look at this scenario, in this scenario, if I see my payoff, my maximum loss is limited to 20.7 and my maximum profit is limited to 79.3. And if I see my ratio, return and risk ratio, if I see, it is approximately 4. It means I will get the return of 4 for 1 rupee risk. Okay, so this is my first scenario. I do copy. Now what will happen if I change these strike prices? Okay, what will happen if I will change these strike prices? Suppose I change this to 2500. So here my difference is 200. To maintain the uniformity, I will have to change it to 2900. So in this case or in this scenario, my maximum loss is 78.45 and my maximum return is 121.55. Here if I see my ratio is 1.5. It means for every 1 rupee risk I will earn a return of 1.5. I will copy also this here. Let's change the strike price again. This time I take the low strike price as 2400. If it is 2700, then it must be 3000. So if I see here my maximum loss is 158.5 and my return is 141.5. That means my ratio is 0.89. It means if I take the risk of 1 rupee, I will earn the return of 0.89, which is very less. So out of these three scenarios, I will prefer to go with this scenario, number one scenario, because here is my ratio is 3.8, which is pretty good ratio for risk management. So that So that's how I use the butterfly spread strategy for risk management as well as to get the benefit of non-volatile market. Thank you.